Excuse me, hi.
Hi.
I am from Grego Business and we help entrepreneurs grow their business.
Okay.
What business are you in?
We actually do designer rentals. We rent clothes and accessories for men and women at 10% of retail price.
That's an amazing concept.
Yeah.
What is the name of your brand?
The Stylies, and it's pan-India. So you can check it out on the website, and we have a store in Mumbai as well.
How long have you been running it?
So this is our 11th year.
How old were you when you started?
In my mid-20s when I started it, so I was about 25. And yeah, it was a fun idea because I moved back from New York at that point of time. And this is a very common concept in New York. And I thought that Indian lehengas are actually so expensive, especially occasion outfits. And you know, what's the point of actually spending so much money and wearing it once? And at that time was the Instagram era of never wearing your clothes again. So because of that, we had a lot of friends and family who were like, you know, what do I do with this? And people used to borrow clothes from each other. But the problem is that with that is that you need to have access. And what about the people who don't have access?
True.
So we started this model, started crowdsourcing outfits from friends and family. And that's what we've been doing since.
Amazing. That's amazing. How many people do you employ today?
So we are about 16 people in total.
How much money does your business make in a month?
So my father's a CA. So the first thing I was taught is to be operationally profitable from day one. So we've never lost money as a business. We've been operationally profitable from day one.
Have you ever been screwed over in this business?
I think everyone gets screwed over in every business. It's just about, honestly, how you bounce back and why you got screwed over, learn from it, move on.
Do you think anyone can start their own business or is it not for everyone?
You need to understand and accept that you will fail. Like, I understand change is the only constant, etc., etc. People say that. But I think in business, it's so fast. If you don't learn how to adapt, then you're going to become irrelevant very soon. I think you learn so much being an entrepreneur. There's no other experience like it.
What if you lose it all today? What do you do tomorrow?
Restart tomorrow.
Why is that?
I think that's exactly what the entrepreneurial spirit is, right? You will make mistakes, you will fail, like I said. So the only other thing that you can do if you want to be a good entrepreneur is actually get up and bounce back and restart.
Thank you so much for taking
Anytime.
Thank